cloth that is fastened to the roof framing is called a headliner or headlining. It smooths out the texture of the car's roof, muffles noises, and maintains a comfortable interior temperature by absorbing heat and cold from the outside environment. A typical car's headliner is composed of numerous layers, one of which is foam, which is typically polyurethane. To soften the headliner and insulate the interior from heat and noise, foam is sprayed on or affixed to a headliner board that fastens to the inside of the roof. In the absence of this thin layer of insulation, the interior of a car left in the sun could get hotter and wind noise could become more audible, particularly when traveling at high speeds. Additionally, this insulation enhances the sound quality of audio systems tailored to fit specific car interiors. The fabric may bow due to overheating, neglect, and moisture dissolving the glue holding it to the roof frame. In this short video, we will talk about how to fix sagging headliner without removing. Old-fashioned gluing. Using glue is one of the simplest ways to reposition the headliner. This method will work best with partially sagged fabric, for example, in a corner or around the edges. Ordinary glue is useless for properly fixing the headliner in an automobile without having to remove it. Instead, you need to use specialized headlining adhesive. Applying and dispersing glue evenly is probably best done with an adhesive spray can. Clear-headed twist pin. They are referred to as saggy stoppers, and for good reason. They are a simple, low-cost way to position the headliner. Even if the entire headlining is drooping and ready to fall on your head, you can still fix it. The thin headlining board with no holes will not be harmed by these clear-headed pins. Compared to glue, which might cause more expensive and difficult issues, this is a better option. Because if you are not careful when repairing the car headliner, glue may harm the delicate fabric. Pin it down. This is another easy fix that won't cost a lot of money or effort. The headliner can be pushed back into place even if half of it is coming off thanks to this very effective method. Use anything that works for you, like sequin pins. To access the foam backing board, drive the pins through the fabric. To create an eye-catching headliner, you can arrange the pins in a pattern. Use the steam cleaner and paint roller combo. The headliner glue will be melted by the steam cleaner, allowing it to reattach to its frame. The fabric will then be helped by the paint roller to set up uniformly and wrinkle-free. When the fabric droops at the edges, this trick works best. To relieve yourself of this tiresome chore and improve the comfort level in your car, make sure you have the best car steam cleaner. Replacement cost. The replacement of a sagging headliner comes in a variety of shapes and costs. Regardless of whether it's factory original or aftermarket, a new headliner kit could be a great deal for you if you drive an ordinary older car. Both are reasonably priced, and labor costs should only total between $70 and $170. However, if you drive a luxury or high-end car, the cost of replacing the headliner, including the cost of the new part and installation, can reach thousands. Here is a cost summary table that we gathered from reports and experts on procedures for replacing sagging headliners. Simple design vehicle with no ceiling accessories, $300 to $750. Large typical SUV or crossover with sunroof or moonroof, $500 to $900. Luxury vehicle with large and high-quality ceiling, $1,000 to $600. Hopefully this video will be useful for you. Don't forget to press the like button and subscribe to the channel.